Hi, I'm Shelley Wood, and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pair of easy DIY doll sandals. My free pattern for these sandals fits the American Girl dolls, Madame Alexander dolls, and similar sized dolls. So before we begin, please go to shelleywood.com and download this free printable PDF pattern. On YouTube, you can find a helpful link in the description below this video. You'll notice this pattern also includes a gym bag. I have a tutorial showing how to make it too. Here's what you'll need to make the sandals. The sandal pattern uses a strap and a sole piece. You'll need colored elastic, ribbon, or bias tape. You can buy colored elastic at Joann's in the United States. I've got some helpful links in the description. For my sandals, I used 1/2 inch ruched elastic. The elastic holds the shoe in place nicely. Ribbon and bias tape come in more colors, but they don't stretch as well as the colored elastic. You'll need a pair of scissors and 2 colors of foam. My black foam has a sticky peel-away backing. But if you don't have any sticky backing black foam, try using glue or hot glue instead. Set the sole pattern on the foam and trace around it. Flip it over to the second tracing so you don't end up with 2 left feet. Now cut out a mate for each foot from black foam. Remember, the black foam has a white peel-away backing, so it looks white here. Now, you should have 2 soles of black foam and 2 soles of colored foam. These 2 are for the left foot, and these 2 are for the right foot. Use the strap pattern to measure and cut 2 straps of elastic, ribbon, or bias tape. Peel the back away from the black sole of one shoe and wrap the strap around the other sole. Place the colored sole over the black sole's glue, with the raw edges facing the glue like this. If you didn't cut the pattern exactly right, you may notice glue sticking out under the foam. Trim away any rough edges with your scissors. Follow these steps for both sandals. Here are all the steps again in a time-lapse video. Now you're ready to try them on a doll. For more free printable PDF sewing patterns, for making not just doll-sized shoes, but a whole wardrobe of doll clothes to fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, please remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com.
What if there was an easy way to take a big doll pattern and resize it to fit a little doll, or vice versa? I'm Shelly Wood, the doll clothing designer, and in my pattern alteration class, I'm going to share with you my resizing formula.
Pattern alteration is when you take a pattern that you already own and you make changes to it. Let's say a dress doesn't fit your doll quite right. I'll show you how to create a gusset to extend the dress's bodice. Along the same lines, I'll show you how to use a doll's body measurements to lengthen and shorten shirt sleeves, and to recreate the pants patterns you already own so they will fit dolls of different shapes and sizes. Following my instructions, you'll learn how to reshape dresses and skirts, making them fuller or less full depending on the look you're going for. With this collection of more than 40 videos, you'll use my measurement guide and dozens of tips and tricks to create a full wardrobe for the doll or dolls of your choice.
I invite you to join me. We are going to have so much fun.